those two names that you see?
Two very different stories, both compelling and have been very successful investments for us. We think they'll continue to perform very nicely. Valiant Pharmaceuticals is an example of a company that's run by a management team that has brought a new and very profitable approach to managing a pharmaceutical company to an industry that historically has been undermanaged and has done a poor job of capital allocation. So what they've done in the years that we've owned them is first turn around their own business, transforming it by rationalizing overhead, rationalizing their distribution system, pruning back the hundreds of different products they had to focus on a core of profitable growing products, and then really focusing on allocating capital well. Once they did that and the earnings doubled and the stock price doubled, they embarked on an acquisition strategy to find other undermanaged pharma companies around the world, and they have been buying these undermanaged companies and transforming those businesses to be more streamlined and more profitable. And it's been just a terrific recipe for growing shareholder value. I think that's going to continue.
Okay. And briefly, HealthSouth then.
And HealthSouth is a different situation of a company that is not growing through acquisition, but instead it's focusing on rehab, independent standalone rehab facilities. That's its core business. And we think that is a winning business because it's a lower cost way for Americans who need to be rehabbed than the current in-hospital approach, which is much higher cost. So in an era of increasing demand, because there are more older Americans who need to be rehabbed after surgery, in an era of increased cost pressures, this is a winning business model.